Hi guys, how are you? I've got busy in my life so that I didn't update you. Just let me share with you my wonderful wisdom about selfless love. Sometimes there's a moment in our life that we didn't expect to happen. But let's assume that it is an unexpected blessing in disguise. In a situation where we didn't ready to receive or welcome it. It is better to grab it and just give ourselves a chance to experience it. For us not to miss it, because we don't know when is the right time for us, even the right situation, or the right person for us, until you try to connect to the situation. But before that, you have to get ready for the consequences of it. We should be mature enough to receive the impact of it. It is either we succeed for us to be happy, or to be failed, that leading to heartbreak. But the very important is, you have tried to receive the opportunity and experience it, especially in the matter of love. And in all chaos, there is a valuable lesson for us to become a better person. On the other hand, if you felt broken, just let yourself to feel the essence of pain or grief. It will help you to be more stronger. And upon the process of healing, there is a recovery stage. Don't forget the motto about, after the storm, there's a sunrise. Or there is another beautiful day and hope. Just think about it. Maybe the opportunity is not meant for us or meant for you. There is much better that the fate has provided for you. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo para mapagbigay inspiration sa inyo.